Let's start off the morning with Pixie Vitamin Wake Up Mist. I need this. Okay, got a new sponge. This is Juno Cloud. So this is their new Juno Cloud Sponge. It has different angles. It's a lot softer and a lot bigger. It's different. It's not the velvet one. It feels like a regular sponge, but but a lot softer and a lot spongier. So this is supposed to be super soft, natural, no cake finish, effortless blending. Stain resistant. Let's try it. Okay, so here we go. So far it's blending nice. I do see it like it's soaking up more than the velvet sponge. But I mean, it's blending out nicely. Okay, look at this is my face already blended out. It looks smooth. And then here's my sponge afterwards. And it soaked up a lot of it. But I like that how soft. And I mean, I still got pretty coverage. Okay, now for concealer, Jeffree Star. And then I'm going to use this little angle part. Whoa, that blended out like a dream. Like it says, life is a dream. And then there it is right there. After my concealer blended. And there we go. Concealer is blended. And then there's a sponge. So far I like it, except for it looks like it's soaking up a lot of product. And I'm gonna go in my Jeffree Star translucent powder with the sponge. Let's see. same short one. I like the way it feels because it's super soft. Super spongy. Motor brushes. We're gonna try this mythical Pearl Makeup Brush 6-piece. I already have that collection. So I'm gonna use this pretty one. Complexion to bronze with. Bronze. Now with this angle brush, translucent. So here is the sponge I'll use. It's stain resistant, so I'm going to wash it. And let's see how it ends up. Okay, clean. That actually shocked me because how soaked up it was. And this is after I did my face. See, baking still. Okay, Juno, go. I need like 5 of these. Look it. I'm very impressed. So, where's my little paper at? Where's my little paper? They are available May 3rd. So make sure you get them because, I mean, if you like beauty sponges, you're gonna love this one. If you're not a fan of the velvet sponge, you'll probably love this one because it's more towards, similar to a beauty sponge, but a lot softer and a lot more spongy. Is that a word? More spongy? And a lot spongier. So, make sure you get this. Use code XOTIF for 10% off. So make sure you use that coupon code XOTIF to get some 10% off Juno Cloud website. I really do recommend this because I just cleaned it and it's like brand new.